made all the money, and then now California trying to do it and not gonna make as much money.
Right.
I'm ready.
Hang on, I'm ordering a pizza, bro. Hang on, man. I gotta get this in.
Oh, this fucking circle. I've done nothing but chase it. Take that, sucker. Poor guy drove all the way in from the blue. Barely had any health left and I shot him. And look at all these first aids and 8x scopes. And all the good shit. Level 3 helmets.
No, it says they're closed. They won't take it. God damn it. Hang on a sec, Bone. I'm sorry, man.
It's alright.
Motherfucker, closed. I might just fucking starve tonight.
You got nothing there?
No, and my car's at fucking Walmart with a flat tire.
Hmm. Why don't you change it?
Because my car doesn't come with a spare.
It doesn't come with a spare.
Nope.
You ever think of getting one extra?
No, you can't get a spare.
What are you talking about?
It's like you couldn't pull the tire off and just install a new tire because there's like sensors in it. It's like it has to be done at the shop. That's why like the car is supposed to come with run flat tires,
What the fuck kind of
which
car
is why
is this?
there's a pump in the back. It's a Cadillac. There's a lot of the newer cars are moving to that as well.
Gotta be able to
Yeah.
change the tire.
I mean, you'd have to pull the sensor off. Like, you could damage it.
Off the tire itself?
It's inside the tire because the car tells you when the tire is going flat.
Yeah, isn't that on the valve stem?
No. You ready, Bum?
Yeah.
Alright.
Four bad guys left.
Ain't you a bad guy too?
Oh, I'm a good guy.
Said every bad guy ever.
I'm American.
America.
I'm American.
You mean you're from Mexico?
I'm a good guy. No, Mexicans are from Mexico. Americans are from America.
There's no country called America.
No, it's not America. It's America.
America.
There's no country called America.
Murica. America.
America.
Not a country.
Sure it is.
'Cause here in America, we speak American.
Right? That's what I'm talking about.
I need to go watch fucking Talladega Nights again. I haven't seen that shit in forever. It's a great movie.
I see an enemy, but he's not moving. Come on, you idiot. Ought to get his attention.
Just throw a grenade at him.
I did. Ow! He's in there fucking cowering. You coward. I shouldn't look at his gun poking through the wall either, right?
I mean, tactical realism, bro.
Yeah, I'm not looking at that. I don't notice.
You gotta ignore that.
Oh, he's just not going anywhere. You stupid fucker.
You ain't gotta move, man.
I got 8 again.
Haha, headshot. Down, kill.
I got 7. That's bullshit. I got a
Well,
set amulet though. That's good.
The ones I got are crap.
Gonna go in and rush this fucking idiot.
One of them will be primal.
Got him! Chicken dinner!
Nice,
Whew.
man.
What a camper. Oh.